Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
So the first one is we provide 1 lakh crore for aggregators, FPOs, primary agriculture cooperative societies, farmer producer organizations which I mentioned, FPOs, all for strengthening the farm gate infrastructure. We shall be providing a fund of 10,000 crores. It's a scheme which will get executed with a cluster-based approach. Matsyasampada Yojana, which was announced during the budget. Pradhan Mantri Matsyasampada Yojana was announced during the budget, but clearly the amounts and the provisioning and also making sure that critical gaps are getting filled are all now getting through, and we are announcing it for execution immediately. What this would mean is for activities related to marine, inland fisheries and also aquaculture, this money would be provided. We expect it will give employment for about 55 lakhs of people. What from January 20, Pradhan Mantri ji has been looking at the foot and mouth disease of animals in order that we ensure 100% vaccination of all cattle, all buffalo, all sheep, all goat and pig population. 15,000 crores will be spent for dairy infrastructure. Promotion of herbal cultivation. There is a National Medicinal Plants Board. 4,000 crores of rupees is getting allocated for this purpose. This board has already supported 2.25 lakh hectares of area under cultivation for medicinal plants. 500 crores for beekeeping initiatives, which will benefit 2 lakh beekeepers in the rural areas. So the scheme features are such that they get 50% subsidy on transportation. They get also 50% subsidy for storage. This is a pilot which we extend for the next 6 months. It will be expanded and also be extended once the pilot phase is cleared. But